Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. This is just a little amendment video because on grade 3, part E, on exercise 6, which is found on page 15, which is the last one on the bottom of the page, just whilst we were sort of chatting away and working through the video, you'll notice that I've just missed including this tie here, so I just want to draw that to your attention. So sorry I missed that, folks, but I just want to point out that needs adding there. So, you know, we've removed the dot, we've added a triplet, it's just a matter of copying it correctly here. So if you can just make sure that that's correct in your workbook. So there we go, that should clarify that. Thanks for watching. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets available in US letter or A4, and they accompany each step of this series. You'll also find a page with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials where I work with you step by step through all of the ABRSM grades. You can also find information about the books that I have available, so please go to sharonbill.com, it's all there for you. If you can give me a like, that'd be fab, and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!